Hello guys, so in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a thumbnail using AI. Okay, so this is a step-by-step video tutorial. So if you are this kind of person, you have been posting your videos without getting the right thumbnail to post, or you have been posting with thumbnail and nobody is clicking on your video to watch, because thumbnail is very important when you are posting your video. Okay, you might have a good video. If you don't have a good thumbnail, nobody will click it. Okay, thumbnail is something that is going to prepare people to actually click on your video and watch that video. Okay, so in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create a viral thumbnail, a thumbnail that will actually go viral using AI. Okay, so this is a step-by-step video tutorial. Okay, so if you're a new person on this channel, if you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video. I see you, I recognize you, I love you guys. So just continue to stick around with me as we dive right into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight into the point because I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so let's just move straight into the video. So guys, in creating viral thumbnail, there are two methods you can actually use to create that viral thumbnail that you want. Okay, so the first method is to go to your niche. Okay, look for any trending video in your niche, or any video you want to make, or the video that you want to make video about. Just go ahead and search what other people are doing. Check the ones that are trending. Okay, the ones that have so many views. Okay, go ahead, take screenshots of those thumbnails. Okay, so once you take screenshot of those thumbnails, the reason or the essence why we are taking screenshot of those thumbnails is not to copy, rather is to give the AI an idea of the kind of thumbnail that we want. Okay, so that's the reason we are taking screenshot of those viral thumbnails. Okay, so that is the first one. Why the second one is for you to just give the AI a prompt of the kind of thumbnail that you want, and the AI will go ahead and generate it for you. I hope you understand. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the video. So we are going to start with our YouTube app and go and take screenshots of those thumbnails. I hope you are cleared. Okay, so let's say my niche is how to make money online. Okay, I will just come and type how to make money online. Okay, so I will click on search. Okay, it's going to bring me over here. So the next I'll just go to videos and check the videos that are doing well in my niche. Okay, this is for those whose niche is how to make money online. So whichever niche you are, just go ahead, search for your niche and check videos that are doing very well. Get a screenshot of their videos. Okay, you can see this one has 104k views. Is really nice. You can still create something like this. Okay, this is 1 month ago. Is a nice one. You can decide to screenshot it. Okay, let me just screenshot this too. Let me screenshot it. So just go and crop it. You save it. Okay, so for the sake of this video, because I don't want this video to be too long, we're going to be using this particular thumbnail to do this tutorial. Okay, go to ChatGPT, click on the photo icon. It will take you to your gallery. Click on the thumbnail you want to use. Okay, import it to ChatGPT, and once it brings you here, you just type, give me a prompt to recreate this particular thumbnail. Okay, so the essence we are doing this is for ChatGPT to give us the exact prompts that we need to recreate this thumbnail. Then is in the prompt we will change both the image, everything that we need to change to get our own exact picture, so that our own exact thumbnail will be quite different from this particular thumbnail we are working with. So tell ChatGPT, give me an exact prompt to recreate this thumbnail. So once you do that, click on the send button, just wait for it a little, and ChatGPT will give you the exact prompt. Okay, so once ChatGPT gives you the exact prompt, all you need to do is just go ahead, go and copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you. So after you have copied the prompt, so the next thing is for us to head over to Ideogram AI where all the magic will happen. So go to your Chrome browser, type ideogram.ai, ideogram, ideogram AI. This is it, ideogram AI. Okay, so once you go to ideogram AI, you can see this second place. Okay, this is the ideogram AI. Just come and click on it. It will take you straight to the AI app that will perform the magic that we need. Okay, so this is the ideogram AI. Okay, so this is where all the magic will happen. Okay, so you come over here, you see this plus button. Okay, this plus icon, just click on it. Okay, it will bring you over here. Go ahead, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Okay, so once you paste it, the next thing you need to do is to start changing everything. Okay, so this is where the magic will happen. All you need to do is to read through and change everything so that it will not look exactly like the thumbnail that we are using to do this sample. Do you get? So you want your own thumbnail to be different. Okay, so all you need to do is to come and read, you read and change whatever you want to change. So you can see the prompt ChatGPT gave us. ChatGPT gave us a charismatic middle-aged man. So I'm going to change my own to a charismatic young black woman, because I want the image to be a black person, young black woman. Okay, with slicked back blonde hair. I'm going to change this to black hair because it's a black woman we are using. Speaking into a podcast microphone, so you can change it to speaking into a wireless microphone. So it all depends on what you want. Okay, without wasting much of our time, this is how you are just going to twerk it, read through, twerk it and twerk it. You can come and change the color. Over here they say colorful gradient background, you understand, split between yellow and white. You can change the color to split between blue and cream. So just do you. Just this is how you just change the whole thing, make it unique. Okay, so that it will be different, so that you will not have a copyright issue. Do you get? So this is how you change. You come, you change the colors, change the background, change the image, change everything you need to change. So after you have just changed everything you want to change, okay, you can even change the text. If you don't want here to be maybe for them to write copy here, you can go ahead, change it to what text you want. If you don't want them to write paste, change it to what text you want. Just do you. Do you. At the end of it, you come here, you see here they say generate. We are just going to click on generate. Okay, you're just going to click on generate. So after you click on generate, just give it a little time. Voila, and this is it. Okay, our thumbnail has been created. You can see it gave us 4 images to choose from. So click on them one after the other and check the best that you like. Okay, so if you like whichever one you like, you go ahead, you download it. Whichever one you like, go ahead and download it. So these are the 4 images to choose from. Okay, is this not beautiful? And yes, we have our unique thumbnail. Can't you see how beautiful it is? Okay, putting it side by side, you can see how unique the thumbnail that ideogram created for us is, and it's entirely different from the original thumbnail. The colors are different, everything is different, the images are different. This is really unique. Okay, so for the second step, I'm going to be very fast. This video is already too long. Okay, so the second step is simple. Just import the video you want to work on, this particular video. Okay, then you tell ChatGPT, please recreate this thumbnail for me. Make sure to tweak and change few things including the colors. Okay, oh, I made a mistake. I wrote including the clouds, but what I wanted to write was including the colors. Okay, so once you send this prompt to ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT gave me. Okay, then I went ahead and put my picture and I said, please replace this with the image. Okay, so immediately I send this picture to ChatGPT to replace it with the image. This is what ChatGPT gave me. Okay, so ChatGPT will not give you the exact of your face or of your picture, but they'll give you something that is actually similar, okay, to your face. Okay, so that is how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT doesn't give you your exact picture, okay, but they will give you the AI of you. Okay, so this is the AI of my picture. this looks this looks nice anyway, so that is it. So but if you don't want your picture to be there, you can ask ChatGPT, please change the image, to a young black African man. Okay, so once you type it to ChatGPT, you just click on send, and ChatGPT will just change the image to your desired image that you want. I hope you understand it. So at this point, we have come to the end of this video. Okay, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also share so that it will get to other people. Okay, leave a comment if you know you have tried this process and it worked for you. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, all right. So if you want me to create any video or AI tool you want me to try, or you want me to test any AI tool for you, or whatever thing you want me to create, just go ahead and say it in the comment section and I will create that video for you. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.